Metalworking has been an important part of human civilization for thousands of years, and it continues to be a part of popular hobby and the professional today's. One of the most exciting aspects of metalworking is the wide variety of projects that can be created using different techniques and materials, from intricate sculpture to the sturdy piece of furniture. Metalworking projects offer endless opportunities for creativity and innovation. Good morning and welcome back. Here we are back again with another amazing video. In our today's video, we are going to show you how to overcome your metal waste material, and how to reduce your carbon footprints. One of the most important aspects of metalworking is welding. Welding is the process of joining two or more pieces of welding together using heat and pressure. There are many different types of welding techniques, each with its own advantage and the disadvantages. Some of the most common welding techniques include MIG welding, TIG welding, and stick welding or oxy-acetylene welding. MIG welding, the metal inter-gas welding, is popular welding techniques that use in a wire electrode and create a strong and durable bond between two pieces of the metal. This technique is commonly used in automotive and industrial applications as well as in home workshop. TIG welding, the tungsten inert gas welding, is a more precise and the intricate welding technique that is often used in aerospace and the medical industries. These techniques use a tungsten electrode that will help you to upcycle your waste material in a better way. So thanks for being here, and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more video. Scrap metal do it by yourself projects have gained popularity in recent years due to their affordability and the creativity. Using scrap metal, you can create a unique and the functional pieces of your home or a garden. Whether you are seasoned do it by yourself enthusiasts or beginner, there are plenty of scrap metal do it by yourself project that can undertake. In this video we will explore some of the best scrap metal do it by yourself project and how to create them. A scrap metal art is a great way to express your creativity and create unique pieces of your home. Using scrap metal, you can create sculptures, wall art, and the other decorative pieces. To get started, collect a variety of scrap metal pieces and then use your imagination to create your art. Welding equipment will be necessary for this project. To make sure you have the necessary safety equipment and the training before you begin. A metal garden rails made from scrap metal is a great way to add some structure to your garden, and you start using discarded and unused metal. Welding is the process of fusing metal together using heat and pressure, and it is an essential technique for creating scrap metal art.